Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 4.3 question number 1. Name the angles in the given figure. You have to name the angles in the given figure, right? How many angles are that? You see there are four angles actually. This angle is 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 and this is 4. We have to remark only the interior angles but not the exterior angle, right? Therefore, name the angles in a given figure. Therefore, we can write angle A, four angles, angle DAB, DAB. Number B is angle ABC, angle ABC, angle ABC, and C is angle BCD, angle BCD, and the next angle is angle CDA, angle CDA. These are the four angles, interior angles in the given figure.